What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Fluent Talk Academy. I'm Alex, your resident American English coach.
And I'm Mia, your favorite international student who's still trying to survive life in America.
And today, guys, we're talking about something every person moving to the US or learning English needs to know. How to open a US bank account without looking like a complete tourist.
Oh, speaking of looking like a tourist, Alex, you are not going to believe what happened to me this morning.
Uh-oh, what happened this time?
The bank lady in New York basically called me a grandma today.
Ha ha ha. Wait, what? A grandma? How did that even happen?
That's exactly what I said. I told her I wanted to put my money in a safe place, and she asked, "Do you want a checking account?" I said, "No, I want to save it, not just check it every day like Facebook."
Ha 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 ha. Oh, Mia, welcome to America. A checking account doesn't mean checking your app.
Guys, if you also think American banking is like a foreign language, you're not alone. Before Alex fixes my brain, do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell and share this video with that one friend who wants to move to the US. Trust me, they need this.
Yes, smash that like button because today we're doing a complete breakdown of US banking so you don't look silly like Mia. Alright, let's clear this up. In the US, the two most common terms you'll hear are checking account and savings account. Mia, what do you think they mean now?
Well, now I'm scared to guess. Is checking for checking my balance and savings for when things are on sale at Walmart?
Not quite. Let's make it super simple. A checking account is your everyday money. When you get a job in the US, your salary goes there. When you buy coffee at Starbucks, pay your rent, or buy gas for your car, you use your debit card, which is connected to your checking account.
Ah, so it's like fluid money. It comes in, it goes out.
Exactly. It's for daily transactions. Now, a saving account is the opposite. It's a parking lot for your money. You put money there that you don't want to spend. The bank even pays you a little bit of interest just to keep it there.
Oh, I get it. So if I have $1,000, I put $300 in checking for my burgers and coffee, and $700 in savings for my future mansion.
Perfect. You're catching on fast?
Okay, that makes sense. But then the lady handed me a paper and said, "Here's your routing number and your account number." I looked at her and said, "Ma'am, I came to the bank by bus. I don't have a driving route."
Oh my god, Mia. A routing number has nothing to do with GPS or bus routes.
Then why do they call it a route? It sounds like a highway.
Think of it this way. There are thousands of banks in the United States. Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. How does the system know which bank is yours? They use a 9-digit code called the routing number. It's like the zip code or home address of your specific bank.
Okay, and the account number?
The account number is your personal room number inside that bank. So the routing number tells the world which bank, and the account number tells them which person.
Wow, that's actually so beautiful. So if my mom wants to send me money from overseas, she needs both?
Yes, if you give her the wrong routing number, your money might end up in a bank in Texas instead of New York.
Hold on, guys. This is getting juicy. If you're learning something new right now, take 2 seconds to share this video link in your WhatsApp or Facebook group. Let's save other people from sending their money to Texas by mistake.
Seriously, share it around. Knowledge is power, guys.
Okay, Alex, here's another scary thing. My friend told me that in America, if you spend more money than you have, The bank doesn't stop your card. They let you buy it, but then they punish you. Is that true?
You're talking about the famous overdraft fee. Yes, this is a very unique US banking thing.
Tell me. Because in my country, if I have $5 in my account and I try to buy a $6 burger, the machine just says declined. And I feel poor. But that's it.
Ha 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 ha. In the US, some banks do something called overdraft protection. If you have $10 in your checking account and buy a jacket for $15, the bank will say, sure, go ahead. We'll pay the extra $5 for you.
Wow! Americans are so nice and generous.
Wait for the twist. The next day, the bank will charge you a $35 overdraft fee for borrowing that $5. So your $15 jacket now costs $50.
What? That is a trap. That is not nice. That is a horror movie.
Ha 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 ha. Welcome to capitalism, Mia. That's why you should always tell your bank, I want to opt out of overdraft protection. That means if you don't have money, the card simply declines. No fees.
Oh, wow. Guys, write that phrase down in your notebooks right now. Opt out of overdraft protection. You just saved me $35, Alex.
Now, when you get a job in the US, your employer may ask you for a voided check for direct deposit. Do you know what that is?
Direct deposit? Is it like a drone dropping cash directly into my house?
I wish. Direct deposit simply means your salary automatically goes into your bank account digitally. No paper checks. On Friday morning, boom, your money is there.
Oh, I love that.
But if you spend all of it on Black Friday, Americans use a very common slang expression. They'll say, I'm flat broke, or I'm strapped for cash.
Flat broke. I like that. It sounds like a flat tire. You can't move.
Exactly. If your checking account is at zero, you're flat broke.
Wow, Alex, today I learned that checking is for spending, savings is for storing, routing is for the bank, and overdraft is a trap.
You did great today, Mia. You're officially ready to survive the American financial system.
Guys, we want to hear from you. What is the most confusing thing about banking in your country? Let us know in the comments below. We reply to almost every comment.
And remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with anyone who wants to learn real, practical English. Your one share helps us grow so much.
See you guys next week with another funny story. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Keep learning.